when I lived about 15 minutes down the road, I was able to get Verizon. If you ask me if I would like to have Verizon right now instead of Comcast, I believe I would. I would rather have fiber connection because the issue with the cable is they do not match your upload with your download. Now let me first speak on another issue. Comcast TV system, I do believe is better than Verizon's. Even though it's fiber, I'm not sure what the deal is with that. I would have to compare them side by side. But I've had more pleasure dealing with the Comcast Xfinity based TV remote. The guide, it's much easier to use. I think Verizon may have to update their guide. They may have to update their TV service. I'm not sure what it is. Comcast has it in the TV department. Okay? Fios has it in the internet department. Now you could go out and get Fios internet, or you could just pay for a Comcast bundle. You could just pay for their Gigabit Pro and get their TV, which is what I would do if I was making $100,000 a year. I would have no problem paying for that. Now, hopefully one day I will have an office and I can pay for the Gigabit Pro and I can get a line going straight to my computer and I can get Gigabit so that when I upload to YouTube, it might only take maybe 20 minutes to upload a 4K, 150 megabit per second file. But for right now,